Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on oil. So watching for a break in a higher low pattern, which has not happened yet. We are getting very extended to the upside as far as this bounce is concerned. Let's start on the daily time frame. So it's a very significant bounce. There's no doubt about that. There's a lot of power behind it. There's a lot of buying. We saw a significant move over the last 8 days. But we are looking for a temporary top to be set, and we are looking to pull back and then establish a higher low. And that could happen after just 2 days of consolidation, but we are looking for this consolidation because it has not happened yet on the way up. So we had an uptrend resistant or a support line for a trend, and then it became resistance and we rejected from it, and here we are right now. The daily time frame is forming a bearish reversal doji. Personally, I'd still like to see, what I would like to see ideally play out on the hourly time frame is this little pullback we have here, establish another higher low, and then let's see a lower high set compared to the current high of 47.29, and then break the low of this consolidation. I want to see a break of the higher low pattern, which is very clearly intact, because I think we're going to see an easy pullback where we've only established 2 levels here in multiple dollars of upside. So the support that I see established right now, and I'll draw in these lines, the first one is going to be down here at the low of consolidation of 46.72. Move that line right there. And then the next one is going to be at the low of this previous consolidation of 45.89. Those are the only 2 solid supports that have formed until we get down to 45.45. So that is a potential $1.50 to the downside, over 3%. If we break a couple support levels and turn things around. So we are still forming higher lows. The bulls are still in control, but we are getting close to a break of the higher low pattern. And with a 4-hour time frame, look at this RSI on the 4-hour, bouncing in between 70 and 80. This is going to cool off under 70, and we are going to see a bit more significant consolidation. It just has not happened yet. So watching very close as we head into tomorrow. We do have the inventory report this week to be watching, but all about the higher low pattern, which is currently intact, and watching to see if we get another little lower high and lower low here heading into tomorrow morning. Checking in on USO, again, it's not trading because it's July 4th, but we do have information from back on Monday, and we should see a gap up open if we were to see trading where we currently are. But resistance was at 965. That would be breaking right now. And then we're looking up at 999 and 1016 as the next 2 resistances. So of just a V-shaped bounce right now, we have to establish higher lows and then higher highs for this bounce to have any momentum behind it. The weekly time frame, these bounces have lasted 3 weeks, 2 weeks, and now this is the 2nd week. And we will be looking for just another lower high. This is a good weekly chart to give us perspective. We would have to see a break of 1070 to change this downtrend on the weekly time frame and to break the lower high pattern. And that's obviously not happening anytime soon. And we're just battling the weekly exponential resistance right now of 962. So we're not even above weekly exponential resistance, even though we've seen such a significant bounce over the last 7 days. So that's just a bit of perspective. Whether or not we pull back and then form a higher low on the daily and then see a higher high and continue, it's too early to say. We have to see how the consolidation goes. We have to watch the volume behind it. But I am confident in saying we will pull back and have to establish a higher low. And I am looking to take back a decent amount of the last 2 days of upside once that pullback does begin getting underway. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in throughout the week. Happy 4th of July, and see you soon.